Welcome back Key Stage 1 to our fourth maths lesson. So we are moving on to subtraction today. So we're going to subtract one-digit numbers from two-digit numbers. Now it's important not to forget that a 10 deans can be exchanged for 10 ones. So one 10 stick, which we have here, can be swapped out for 10 ones. Okay, so we're going to be using our chips and peas, our deans, to work out subtraction today. So we've got 12, take away 4. So the first thing I've got to do is split 12 into 10s and 1s. So there is a 1 10 in the number 12. So I'm going to draw that in the 10s box. And then how many 1s do we have in the number 12? We have 2, so I need to draw them in the 1s box. So I'm going to draw them in now. 1, 2. Now it wants us to take away 4, but there's not 4 1s over here. So what do you think we need to do? Now I wonder if anyone thought of it. We need to exchange our 1 10 stick for 10 1s. So we're going to cross out our 10s and we're going to put in 10 1s over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have enough 1s to take away 4. So now I can cross out my 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I can count up how many I've got left to work out my answer. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer, which I can write up here, is 8. Okay, we've got a different sum this time. We've got 24 take away 8. So remember, when we're doing subtraction, our takeaways, our answer should always be smaller than the first number. So if you've done them and you've got a bigger number, probably need to check it. So we're going to split 24 into 10s and 1s. So we've got 2 10s in 24. So we draw our 2 10s because that means 10, 20. And we've got 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again, we don't have enough 1s there to take away the 8. So we need to exchange 1 10 for 10 1s. So we're going to cross out 1 10 and move them over here in 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we've got enough to cross out those 8, take 8 away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we can count up what we've got left for our answer. And don't forget there's a 10 over here. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. I can write that up here. Okay, next one we've got is 32 take away 9. So I need to break my 32 into 10s and 1s. So I need 3 10s and 2 1s. So let's draw those in. 3 10s is 10, 20, 30 and 2 1s. 1, 2. So again, we're going to exchange our 10. So cross our 10 out and put those 10 1s over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we can take away that 9. So let's cross out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, let's add up what we've got left to find our answer. So we've got our 10s. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So our answer is 23. So your activity today is a bit like the one we did on Tuesday, which is a practical activity. So I would like you to go around your house and find those items that you used on Tuesday that you can use to represent your tens and ones. And we're going to try and remember to exchange our 10 stick for 10 ones. So let's have a look at one I did.
Okay, I've been on a hunt in my house again and I've found my pens and my pebbles from the other day. I'm going to use those today to do a takeaway, our subtraction sum. So we are going to work out 33 take away 8. So the first thing I need to do is split 33 into tens and ones. So I need 3 tens. So I'm going to get my 3 pens. 1, 2, 3, and put those in the tens box. Then I also need 3 ones. So I'm going to get my pebbles. 1, 2, 3. Now I need to take away 8. There's not enough pebbles to take away 8, so I'm going to have to split one of my tens into 10 ones. So I take away a 10 stick and I add in 10 ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I've got enough to take away 8. So I'm going to take away my 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I can work out my answer. So let's count them all together. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I'm going to write my answer at the top. 25. There we go. Have a go at home with some items around your house.
Okay, if you're up for a challenge and if you're able to subtract a 1 digit from a 2-digit number confidently, change some of your subtraction cards to 2 2-digit numbers. For example, 43 take away 16. But remember, still try to show it practically. Right, to finish today's lesson, we're going to have our plenary. So again, somebody's had a go. They say 32 take away 9 equals 42. Is this correct? Explain your answer. So talk to somebody in your house, pause the video so you can explain it to them. Right, so this is not correct because the answer of subtraction sentence should always be smaller than the number we are taking away from. And 42 is definitely bigger than 32. So they forgot to cross out the 10 they have swapped, and then they forgot to take away the 9. So they made a few errors there. So the answer should have been 23. Well done for doing your subtracting lesson today, and I'll see you again for our next one.